Obuherezo obu butongozi bw'izoba lya nyuma abazyo ahirwariro lya Misho ery'Ambarara University and Referral Hospital Eye Center omuri Mbarara. Oburwire bwa glaucoma ninga shukaari ya Misho ni bumwe mu burwire obusingireyo kureeta abantu bahuma ahabw'okushanga ngu tibukumanyagye abantu.
Ekikangabwa kiringu oba oburwire bwa glaucoma nibukira oburwire bwa shukaari kuba bwingi. Glaucoma is more prevalent than diabetes. Omuri muhina takahulira oburwire bwa shukaari nanakana nikamanya oburwire bwa shukaari konko oburwire bwa glaucoma obirora orabuhurireho.
Agizire ngu ekyalesire endwara ya shukaari ya Misho egiyakanya n'okushanga ngu gavumenti ekabeta katire emibazi omu marwariro.
Obuherezo obu bwahika omu bantu biitu hati ekyo tukikozire tuta. Ekyokubanza tukaba tuyine kureeta eby'ebitangazo ebya karimagezi ebikubasa kuchebera obo burwire obwa glaucoma bukabukwata bukiri kare. Haza ebe byoma ahinkugambira twabiresire kandi biri omu marwariro agutukwetaga regional referral.
Most patients don't know about the disease, and the disease is silent, does not give you pain. By the time you realize, you are already blind, and yet we cannot do anything at that stage to reverse the blindness. And so very many people are blind in our community, and we need to do something to change this trend.
Omwe mu barwire abatungira okuragurirwa hino obuhabuzi obuyahereza abatakizire kutunga okuragurirwa.
Bachegendesereza bo batwine pain yona kureka site yo kadiye kugenda hinduka oleba kubyojuro so batawegendeserize nibuza bukwata utakimanyiro kikakufamisha mbena nikubiriza abantu bona nimwe batayi banje kumara batayi mugambira bo muka ara nahura ngo kizwe cya kwatokanda ize ohereza boru.
Let us not work in silos. Dr. Ageihangwe have said a very important thing. We have the G2G support. This G2G support is helping the region and the THOs and the health units to work with the lens of a region. Diseases do not recognize boundaries that ndio wampara, ndio wambarara, ati ndio mitoma. Diseases are diseases. So as health workers, we must learn to work together.
Robert Kanusu omuhezi wa RCC abwambara City North ashabira abantu okweyongera obuyonjo mu maka gabo kwetantara endwara ezirukureta oburofa.
Many people were washing their hands during the COVID time. They don't think it is relevant to continue washing their hands. And yet it is very, very important. Everyone used to move with a bottle of sanitizer in his pockets. Now what has happened? Don't you need to live a good life? There are very many infectious diseases that can take the opportunity to make you incapacitated.
Irwariro lya Misho ery'Ambarara University and Referral Eye Center batakatungira ebyoma bakaba nibaragurira abantu okuruga hari 10 buri izooba ngu konka hati nibaragurira abantu okuruga hari nshanju kwika hari 5 buri izooba. Ahabwa TV West and Adolf Ayureka.